how to set the time duration for Do Not Disturb on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. After that, we scroll down and tap on notifications. Then tap on Do Not Disturb. In here, you can turn it on or switch it off, Do Not Disturb. And then to set the duration of how long it will stay on for, you tap on For How Long. Here you can select until you turn off manually, or you can set a specific time period. So this is the default time, so every time you turn on Do Not Disturb, it will stay on for 3 hours, and then after it will automatically switch off. So that is how you can set the Do Not Disturb time duration of how long it will stay on for. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.